Today we have the 2018 Mazda CX-5. This vehicle was done just under 54,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights and our keyless ignition. On the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access communication, navigation and settings, entertainment and applications. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side and our heated steering wheel. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and get a good view of our sunroof.